Alright, we're competitive at everything here at CrossFit North Mesquite. We just had our battle of the boxes with CrossFit North Mesquite and CrossFit FCH. Everybody's gone. We've cleaned up the gym. See? Gym is all clean, ready to go. Now Asa and Brandon are having an orange eating contest. We had oranges, but no container to put them in. Brandon's slowing down. What's happening? Is he going to throw up? Maybe. He did some heavy deadlifts. Asa's steady.
I can't lift as much but I can move faster.
We didn't have a container for the oranges, so instead of throwing them away, doing an orange eating contest. I think we found the one thing Asa can beat Brandon at. Doing an orange eating contest. Come on, Brandon, pick it up. Don't chew so much. It looks like Ace is just swallowing. Just swallow the oranges whole.
Yeah, I just swallowed. In this situation, it's an advantage. Maybe I can pick the most likely.
Oh, yep.
This is a lot better than the usual one, so it's your favorite. I'm clearly on a mission.
Typical Brandon, looks all relaxed and calm. Ace is focused. Asa seems to be picking the seeds out before he eats. Brandon's strategy is to spit them out. Brandon needs a little eye protection.
Watch your low back, keep it tight. Chest up.
Maybe he got squirted in the eye with an orange. Was that Asa's strategy? I don't know. We're getting down to the last few, and then we're going to count, see who had the most.
You have to count with it.
And how are you going to know who won?
It'd be obvious.
Oh, yeah. Oh, all right. Yeah, I think.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 reps.
What do you have over there, Brendan? Like 6?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
His mouth was all
8,
over those.
9, 10, 11.
You're counting
12,
2 at a time.
13, 14, and 15. You should have gone girls. Scale.
Brandon should have done girl
You gotta
scale.
finish it.
You can't spit it out, Brandon.
You got to swallow it or you lost.
Congratulations.
Or you lose the last 3.
Congratulations, Asa.
Yeah, I won something.